Hello Capricorn, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance, and this is Imali Nursian, your astrologer, tarot reader, numerologist and life coach. Let's look at your weekly energies for the week of 25th January to the 31st January 2021. Let's see what the energies come up for Capricorns. So Capricorns, you have Temperance, clarified by Temperance. So Capricorns really need to maintain a balance that they have been missing for a very long time. Capricorn, you need to live in the here and now. I also see that you have a scope of reconciling with someone you have been you have been falling out with for a long time. Capricorn, you are well aware of all the stress that comes with the sort of choices you make at this point of time, and therefore I would advise you to live in a lot of live harmoniously and live in the now, in the present. Excessively thinking about the past and excessively thinking about the future may ruin your present, and that is something that will not be healthy in the long run. So take a balanced approach and move ahead with caution. But move ahead, Capricorn. This is a week where you really have to move ahead. On the love front, you have Four of Cups and the Fool. So Four of Cups here indicates that there is someone offering their cup of love to you, but you are denying to take it at any cost. This could be because of your own personal reasons. The other person wants to start afresh, like we saw Temperance, clarified by Temperance here. There is someone who wants to reconcile with you, but you are not in that condition to reconcile with them. You just want some time away. You don't want to do anything. However, it is now time to actually think about it, let it go, or move ahead with it. So Capricorn, maybe not this week, but next week is somewhere I see you taking a decision in this matter. On the work front, we've got Queen of Pentacles and Nine of Swords. So Queen of Pentacles here indicates that you could be earning really well. You could actually be contributing to your household, and still you have this concern that keeps you up all night for some reason. This could be concern of how would you manage your finances further in life, what will happen if a particular source of income stops, etc, etc. So this is something that will keep you up at nights, but this is not something that you need to worry about. The situation is not as negative as you think it is. It's all in your mind to begin with, Capricorn, because you have been excessively thinking about it, and the more negatively you think about a situation, the more you will be attracting those conditions. So I would advise you to not think about it and sleep peacefully and let your brain relax and bring you newer ideas to combat the situation. On the health front, we've got Ace of Wands, Eight of Cups and Eight of Wands. So here technically what we see is that Sagittarians were very active. They were very determined to start a new routine. If you have, you will be you are possibly going to face some sort of a injury while working out, and for which you have to be super careful. If you haven't started working out, if you will, you need to be cautious about any such circumstances. The lucky number for Capricorns is purple. Lucky number is 39. Lucky color is purple. Develop mental clarity is the message for you. The advice for you is detox time, release toxins from your body, mind and diet. And if any of my Capricorns want to start something new, confused about career, environmentalist, you're an earth angel who was born to protect, nurture and teach about nature and animals. So stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance, Capricorn.